right, nice warm day in Ohio here today. Doors open on the shop. Got some changes here. All the front sheet metal back off. Satisfied with the fit and finish of everything. Now we're going to get back to this. Did some seam sealing today on this. Seam seal over all these lines. Make it look like a nice factory seam seal. Took care of all that. Cleaned everything up out here. A little more cleanup on this frame unit. Be ready to do some paint work on that. So alright, we'll bring you back as we get some satin black on all this. Alright, here's something that people never think about when you're restoring vehicles. This is where the windshield wiper motor goes. Actually right there is a hole, it's threaded. Down here, there's a stud. Focus there. Right, still coming out. Of course over here, we've got one that's broken off. So I do have a pair of vice grips on it in here, and I think it is turning. I'm hoping I can work that out of there. Just another one of those time consumers. Alright, bring it back as we make progress. Alright, there you go. Okay, move that broken stud off out of there. There it is. A pair of vice grips. Turn it over here. Down from up here. Not a fun thing, but we got her out. Alright, there you go. Alright, another beautiful day here. Shop doors all open here this morning. Heater box. All clean, painted inside and out. Nice. Firewall all done. Satin black. Did the all the frame. Everything on this one. Prefer to do all the components all individually apart before they go back together, but this was already assembled. Come in to me, it had some type of paint on it. I don't know what it was. I ended up having to take most of that off. Sander wire wheels. Apparently it wasn't prepped before it was sprayed by someone else, so it made more work. Got the engine transmission coming for this tomorrow. Set that in place, but we have all the nose off of the car. Make things much easier. That's where we're at with it. Alright, bring you back when we make some more progress.